Assalamu alaikum sir, I'm A.K.M. Mahimusan from BBS department and my today's presentation topic is on artificial intelligence and its application challenges in business. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the replication of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think like individuals and replicate their behavior. The term can also be applied to any machine that displays characteristics related to human thinking, such as learning and problem solving. The ability of a digital computer or computer controlled robot to perform tasks normally associated with intelligent organisms. The term is often used for projects that develop systems with characteristics of human intellectual process, such as reasoning, the search for meaning, generalization, or the ability to learn from past experiences. Since the development of digital computers in the 1940s, it has shown that computers can be programmed to perform very complex tasks such as finding evidence for definitions, mathematics, or chess. However, despite the continuous advancement in computer processing speed, memory, and memory capacity, there is still no program that can match the versatility of humans in a wider range of fields or in demand in industrial applications. Knowledge daily. On the other hand, some programs have reached the level of performance of human experts when it comes to performing such tasks. So the limited sense of artificial intelligence exists in applications such as medical diagnostics, computer search engines, and search or writing to admit. There are mainly two types of artificial intelligence, general and narrow. A general artificial intelligence is very different. It is an adaptive intelligence of humans and flexible form of intelligence that can learn to do many different things from cutting hair to making spreadsheets or from accumulating experience to reasoning about various topics. On the other hand, artificial intelligence narrow artificial intelligence can be seen everywhere in today's intelligence systems that have learned how to perform specific tasks that are not explicitly programmed. Thus, unlike humans, their systems are called narrow artificial intelligence because they can only learn and teach how to perform defined tasks. Application of artificial intelligence. In case of automotive, advances in artificial intelligence have fostered the development of automotive industry by creating and developing selfie cars. Since 2016, more than 30 companies have developed in 4,444 autonomous cars have created innovations in truck unloading, although they are still in the testing phase. In case of video games, NPCs often use artificial intelligence in video games to generate dynamic and purposeful behavior. In addition, non-artificial intelligence techniques are often used as guidance. Due to the way aliens' intelligence is built, aliens can see the game and is still ongoing, and aliens seem to be starting to learn from the many players. Challenges in business for artificial intelligence. Deficit trust. One of the biggest factors that causes artificial intelligence problem is the nature of they are deep learning models that don't know how to predict results. It is difficult for hobbyists to understand how a specific set of inputs can design solution of to different type of program. For example, smartphones, smart TVs, banks, and even cars. For data privacy and security, the data is generated by millions of users worldwide, so this data can be used for bad purpose. For example, a healthcare provider service provides 1 million people downtown. A cyber attack puts all the personal data of 1 million users into the hand of everyone on the dark web. Thank you.